If you want to learn how this crappy web page that took me 5 minutes to make and how I got it for free from one of the biggest and most trusted companies on the internet, how it made me over $120 in a day using an absolutely free traffic source, then stick around and I'll show you in 3 simple steps what you need to do to start earning some passive income. And hey, before we get started, be sure to give this video a like and leave a comment down below if you want me to show you a traffic source that other people pay for and you can get it for free. Then keep watching all the way until the end and I'll reveal that free secret traffic source that you can use. So with that said, let's get on the computer here and start earning some money. Be sure to follow each step I lay out and make sure you take action on this. Go over to either clickbank.com or warriorplus.com. If you don't have an account already, you'll want to sign up. The process is pretty simple. You would just fill out some basic information. Just make sure that the information you provide is accurate because these platforms will be paying you and they need your real information. Next, once you're signed into your account, and we'll use ClickBank in this demonstration, we'll come over to Marketplace here and find a nice high converting offer, and this will work in any niche. There's a menu with all of the product categories over here. Let's choose 12-minute affiliate, one of my favorite to promote in the e-business and e-marketing niche. Let's open up the sales page. That's the main page of this website because we're going to need this for the next step. Then you'll grab your affiliate link right here and copy that to your clipboard because you'll need that for the next step also. And every time someone buys through your link, you'll get paid a commission. Keep in mind, you have many courses and categories to choose from. If there's something else you would prefer, for example, in the health and fitness niche, there's a great product called Custom Keto, and that's another great option. It's a high converting offer. I'm not going to bore you with more details because we need to move on to the next step and into the fun part. This is where things get interesting. In this step, you're going to learn how you can get a web page absolutely free from one of the biggest and most trusted companies on the internet. And I'm sure you've heard of them. This is really important too, because if you want to take advantage of the free traffic that'll bring in the sales, you need to be using a website from a trusted source because let's face it, the days of spamming your random links all over the internet are gone. Maybe it worked for a very short time in the past, but all it's going to do now is guarantee you'll be banned from whatever platform you're posting on. You need a link from a website that's not going to get banned. So let's go over to sites.google.com and create a web page. And this is 100% free. That's right, Google doesn't charge you for a website. This is going to act as a bridge page to your digital product that you're going to get paid commissions for every time someone clicks on your link. People will be taken to a Google site, which is pretty cool. To build this page, it's pretty simple. We're going to follow a simple formula by copying the sales page of the product. It goes something like this. Headline, link, proof using result that the product promises, link, proof using testimonials, social proof, and then link. I'll leave this page in the description below this video so that you can reference it later if you want. So we're just going to grab all of this from this sales page because the hard work of selling is already done for us and we have all of the proof we need right here on the sales page as well. A lot of this is literally copy and paste with a little bit of small changes to your preferences, but it's really just a simple and kind of ugly web page that takes you about 5 minutes to make and you got it all for free from Google. So let's start with the headline. Paste that here. Then you'll want the call to action here, which is the link. And let's make this page very simple. So instead of a button link, we'll make it a text link. Next, we'll get this image here for proof, and in this case, it's income proof. So we'll just right click on this image and copy the image URL. And it's perfectly fine to use this image as proof from a product that they're also using in order to promote it. So we'll come over here and add an image, and you'll select by URL right here, and it'll load the image, and then you'll just click on insert image. Right under that, you'll want to add another call to action, this time a little bit bigger, and again paste your unique affiliate link right here once again. Next, you'll want to add proof again, but this time it's going to be social proof or testimonials. Let's come over here and get this testimonial headline and paste it here. And then we can copy some of these testimonial images here, and let's get the URLs and paste them here. I'll put these 3 in here, and then we can just add in the last link right here at the bottom. The last thing you'll need to do is publish your web page so that it's live and ready for free traffic. So come over here to the top and click publish. We'll just call it Start with 12-Minute Affiliate. You may have to play around with the titles to see which ones are available. And now we're done, and now we can get free traffic to this page in just 60 seconds. Alright, and that brings us to step 3. So now I'm going to show you where you can get this free traffic, and the website is called 60secondfreetraffic.com. Now don't worry, you won't have to pay for it because, as I just told you, it's free traffic. There is a paid version, but I promised you I would show you how to get it for free because you're taking the time to watch this video and following along with me. So I'll leave that link in the description below this video too, so you can have access to that right away. Now just click on the join free right here, and you'll be taken over to this page, which is the sales page. But don't worry about that, just scroll all the way down to the bottom here and click on this join free button where you can sign up for your free account. Now inside the members area, you'll see this video here, and just scroll down a little bit. This is what's known as a traffic pool, where you can share your link and then other people will post it into Facebook groups where you can get thousands of people looking at your offer for free. Start by clicking this link here and joining at least 3 of these Facebook groups. Scroll down here. As you can see, there are lots to choose from, and make sure you click this button, update my favorites, so that it saves. Come back over here and you'll share this ad here. Click copy and then share to one of these Facebook groups that you just joined. A window will pop up and you can link directly to these groups here. And once you've done that, you can now enter your own link. So you'll put your Google site link that you just made into this box and then enter a call to action right before that. Something like, see how I made a full-time income from home. Select a category, select regular ad, which is the free option. You can always invest into these booster ads later and post it into the free traffic pool, and now other people will share your link in order for them to get free traffic. You can only share your link once, but it's going to be shared by multiple people and seen by thousands in these Facebook groups as well. So you're multiplying your shares, and it only took you 60 seconds to share someone else's link once. We're in the final stretch, so if you stay with me, I'll show you how you can 5 to 15x your traffic in one really simple step here. So let's get into it. So you can post your link 3 times a day with a free account, and that will have your link shared up to 15 times per day. And let's say each share will only get you around 10 clicks. Well, that's 150 free clicks per day for taking 3 minutes to do something simple like this. All you need is at least a 1% conversion rate, which is pretty standard with digital products, and you can make $120 or more per day using this method, depending on the offer you choose and how much it costs. And you can do this for multiple offers and scale this up, so there's a lot of potential here. Just imagine if you made 2 more web pages with 2 more offers and committed to taking 3 minutes per day for 3 of these in total, so less than 10 minutes per day, sharing this traffic pool and your links. Either way, there's not a lot of work really involved. You just have to be consistent and commit to doing that. That being said, I hope this will inspire you to try this method for yourself. If you like this video, and if you're ready to get out there and start earning some money, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe with notifications on so that you don't miss out on more videos like this in the near future. And of course, so you're one of the first to try this for yourself and have a competitive advantage. So get out there and start clicking your way to profits. This is Click Profits Pro, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.